Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? So today we discuss about the political geography. You know that political geography is the branch of human geography. Human geography is deal with the human interaction with physical environment, human activity, human economy, human culture, human language, human behavior, human psychology. This is the outline. State is an independent political unit holding sovereignty over a territory, like Canada, usually referred as a country. United States of America, 15 theoretically independent units that choose to join together in a state. Nation. Geographers define nation, a community of people with common ancestry, culture and territory. Does not imply an independent political unit. For example, Quebec, Acadian in eastern Canada, First Nation throughout the Canada. Nation state. State whose territory coincide with the area occupied by a single nation. For example, Iceland, all residents of state are member of single Icelandic nation. Versus Canada, several different nations within the boundaries of Canadian state. Basic definition: role of colonization, definition of complexity, multinational, stateless nation, role of absolute and relative, location, strategic location, capital cities, alliance of state. Colonized region of the world: Africa, Latin America, Asia, North America, Pacific Island. Starting in 15th century and in 1915. Scramble for Africa. In 1817, Belgium King Leopold began sending emissaries to Africa to establish trade relations. Other European powers began to actively acquire African territory. Belgium, France, Germany, Portugal, United States, Austria, Hungary, Belgium, Denmark, France, Italy and Netherlands, Russia, Spain, Sweden, Norway, Great Britain. Principle of possession via occupation. Signatory power must give notification of intent to occupy all other signatory powers. Scramble for Africa. Scramble for Africa. This is the red color British, green France, brown German, yellow Italy, red Spanish, black independence and half white Belgium. Partition of Africa from 1885 to 1994. African language group: Negro African, Caucasian, Nilo-Saharan, Milo-Polian, Afro-Asiatic. Partition of Africa. Vancouver Coastal Aboriginal Planning Committee, Community and Region. Outline. Definition of complexity. Poland is essentially a national state. Switzerland is a multinational state. The territory of the Arab nation extends over several Arab states. The Kurds are a stateless nation. Some Kurds are fighting for their own state. Kurdistan. Multinational state. Canada, several nations within boundary of Canada state. United Kingdom, Scottish, English, Irish, Welsh are separate nations. Former Yugoslavia will discuss later. 1950. All Western Hemisphere states, all African states, stateless nation. Ethnic groups, nations occupying territory but not belonging to a single state. Basques in Spain and France, there is no Basque state. Basque nationalist organizations want autonomy or independence for a Basque state. Kurd Kurdish nation, about 25 to 40 million people depending on how it is defined. This is the area where Kurd people live. Iraq, Iran and Iran. Opposition to Ottoman Empire in World War I promised independence by UK and France in 1920, but Turkey established control intent acknowledged 1923. Boundaries are political, not ethnographic reason. Kurds not recognized as a nation by Turkey, Iran and Iraq. Kurds supported USA invention of Iraq 2003. The area claimed by Kurdish nationalist group Kurdistan nationalist flag. Geographic characteristic of state. Size is a very important important source for power, governance, communication. Russia Federation, Nauru 20 kilometers. Shape for government, transport. Location absolute relative. Absolute location position with respect to grid, longitude and latitude. Gibraltar absolute location is about 36 degree to 9 north, 5 to 21 west. Relative location, the position with respect to other state and region. Gibraltar relative location is crucial as British colony at the entrance to the Mediterranean Sea. Colonial legacies today. Landlocked states are disadvantaged for access to ocean and resources. Some have land corridor to ocean. Democratic Republic of Congo. Landlocked Bolivia. From 1879 to 1883, Bolivia and Peru allied against Chile, War of the Pacific. Chile won and took Antofagasta, Tarapasa, Arica coastal area rich in nitrates. Bolivia lost access to Pacific and became landlocked. Bolivia Navy still practice on Lake Titicaca. Strategic location of oil reserve in Iraq, Kuwait. Relative location of importance to two or more states. Military or economic significance differ over time. Result of change from wind to coal, petroleum as fuel for shipping. Many states are good example. Malacca, Bosphorus, Bering Strait, Strait of Hormuz, Strait of Gibraltar, Canal of Suez, Panama, where oil is. This is the map of oil reservoir. Strategic location of oil, geopolitics and formation of OPEC. 1960 OPEC found in Baghdad by Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela to win better return of oil producer whose output is controlled by Western multinations. In 1973, an Arab oil embargo during Arab-Israel war disrupt oil flow and triggers panic buying. OPEC control waste pricing fully from Western multinations in the first oil shock, and price soared from around $2.50 American dollar a barrel in January 1973 to $11.50 in 1974. Pipe development, the Caspian Basin. Push for greater energy security, reduce dependence on Middle East and OPEC. Russia, a non-OPEC nation, attempt to garner foreign invest. Massive devaluation of rubber, IMF loan, sale reserves to general foreign currency. Major exploration effort by US and European Petroleum Company after 1989. Collapse of communication and potential for conflict with breakaway republic, self-determination, economic development and emerging nation. Economic development of impoverished nation. Social, environmental, cultural change, modernization, resistance to Erasmus, Thailand. State of Malacca, 1/4 of total world commodity trade, 1/2 of all world oil shipped, 1/3 of total liquefied natural gas. Panama Canal constructed by US after initial failed French attempt. 93 USA,